everyone. I'm Jan, partner at Future Energy Ventures. Welcome to Future Fuel. Together with Christian Deilmann from Tado, today we will discuss about smart thermostats and the impact they can have on the energy transition. Hi, Christian.
Hi, Jan. Thanks for having me here today.
Yeah, thanks for coming. Maybe I say two words about Tado since we are an investor, and then I give it to you. So Tado is a smart thermostat. It's well known in the market and is also a software company that with the smallest investment can have the highest CO2 impact in the market. I would like to discuss with you today from an investor perspective, because Tado, of course, is not a startup anymore. No, so how many units you have sold to date?
So we've sold and connected to our cloud by now over 1 million of these smart thermostats, and we manage the respective heating and air conditioning systems behind that.
1 million, yeah, that's a lot. Yeah, so maybe you would like to tell to our audience why this 1 million people bought Tado devices. What is unique about Tado?
Yeah, I mean, what we do is we bring heating and air conditioning systems to the internet, and we feed them with data in order to improve efficiency at home, to improve comfort at home, but also to make all these connected systems an integral part of the future energy grid.
Understood. But why did you start Tado in the first place?
So, I mean, I always was striving for in my academic and professional career to have an impact in the energy field. So back then in 2002, I started working on fuel cells. Then I moved on and worked on air elasticity of wind turbine blades. After that, I did another master's at MIT in Boston and did a research paper there on energy flows in the world. And it became obvious to me that about 30% of the world's energy is used for heating and cooling of buildings. And the idea which was created back then is that if we can bring all these systems online, then we can have a really big impact, a much bigger impact when you try to optimize wind turbine blades. So this was kind of the initial thought back then in 2008. It was not yet the right time to start a company, but already working on nights and weekends together with my co-founder, we worked on the idea Tado, and officially in summer 2011 decided to quit our jobs and to start the company Tado.
Crazy that it started like a side hustle. Yeah. I would be interested also to explain to our audience the features, the features of Tado compared to other thermostats, because for the average person, they all look the same in the end, no?
Yeah, I mean, we're really, hammering the market share when it's on the consumer sales channel, for example. So we're by far the best-selling smart thermostat across Europe. And this is due to our strong consumer offering, our strong feature set, and that our customers are really happy with our products. And it's not only about saving energy, it's also about having a comfortable home. We have launched features in the air quality space. We have launched features in the remote monitoring diagnostic space. So basically having your heating system and air conditioning system always up and running, and now moving into the demand response area. So basically delivering benefits which the smart grid brings to all of our customers in the field.
So you're a little bit like the Tesla of thermostats, no? So your customer buys the thermostat today with a certain amount of features, but these features increase over time compared to like the average electronic device that after 2 years is basically set for the landfill. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, the thermostat is really about, for us, it's about the connectivity. And then we keep innovating on the software level and really using all the data which we're getting out of the system, but also combining it with other data, with online available data like weather forecast and so on, to really continuously improve our product as we go for our customers at home and of course also for our B2B partners.
Yeah, let's talk about these B2B partners, because that's the part of the business that excites the investors the most and is not very well known to the consumer.
I mean, for us, our main B2B sales channels is the utility space. So those are customers like partners like E.ON, for example. And by now, we're working with 11 out of the top 20 utilities across Europe. So really, our job is helping them to move from commodity offerings towards becoming a service provider. So this is really our mission, to digitize the customer base of our partners, of the big utilities, and help them in this transformational process.
So happy customers. What about the CO2 impact?
I mean, so as I said, we by now have over 1 million smart thermostats connected. We manage actually over 4 gigawatt of capacity right now in our household base, and all these customers together since 2013 have saved over 466,000 tons of CO2. And if you want to compare this with passenger flights, it's an equivalent to 1 million passenger flights from Munich to New York City. So this is the impact which our customer base, together with the Tado products, have achieved over the last years.
Impressive. You really make me feel proud by hearing these numbers. So I think our time is finished for today, unfortunately, but thanks, Christian, for being with us. I think we had a great conversation, and talk to you at our next board meeting. Yeah.